Hello everyone, on a Sunday evening, Win here. I hope you are all happy, healthy, and safe, as those are the most important things to be doing right now. However, we also have some spring snow to talk about in our weather headlines, and that is expected to move in come tomorrow night. Now, it will likely start as snow area-wide. The exception will probably be the Cape and the Islands, but it will start to change to rain, especially in the greater Boston area and off to the south and east. To the north and west of there, though, we could see some plowable snow. I'll show you the map in just a moment. After that, the pattern does remain active, with more rain and, yes, another chance for some wet snow in the 7-day forecast. Now, taking a look at this storm under closer inspection on our future radar, you'll notice that the first flakes don't really start to fly until 2, 3, 4 o'clock. But you really got to wait until after sunset here for things to really start deteriorating. Take a look at just to the northwest of 495. This model is depicting some bright whites, which is indicating some snowfall rates of around an inch an hour. It'll be that really pasty, wet snow that's going to cling to everything and weigh those trees down. But look into the south and east of 495 there, and especially down on the South Shore and Cape. I think a quick change from snow to rain is going to happen before that heaviest band works in, washing away any snow there. Now, moving even further forward here, you'll notice that that heavy band actually starts to weaken a little bit as it crosses from Vermont and New Hampshire and on into Maine. And the reason for that is there's some dry air to work with. That's why I've lowered totals for much of the Pine Tree State here. Now, this thing's actually out of here by 10 or 11 o'clock Tuesday morning. It's a real quick-hitting storm. Now, taking a look here at our expected snowfall, and you'll notice that there's a pretty big contrast from south to north. South and east of Boston, yeah, you get a coating or so, and it flips right to rain. Just northwest of 495, you're getting 3 to as much as 6 inches of snow, depending on how pasty it is and how hard of a time it has sticking. Now, take a look at that bullseye there. That's going to occur most likely through the Lakes region in New Hampshire and maybe a little bit into western Maine before that band starts to weaken. And that's where we could see 6 to 8 or perhaps even a localized 9th inch across some of the higher peaks in that light purple area. A widespread 3 to 6 from Springfield, Mass, all the way up to Bangor, Maine, however, excluding that bullseye. And then we got 1 to 3 across the far north country due to lack of moisture and the storm not quite getting that far north. Now, taking a look at your 7-day forecast now across southwestern Maine and into interior New Hampshire. Tomorrow we cloud up and we're cool. We get that snow overnight, but then we clear out for Tuesday area-wide, and I think we'll see quite a bit of melting. I think Mother Nature's going to help out with your driveway a little bit, especially if you get sun, and that'll be area-wide. Now, our next chance for rain and snow comes Wednesday night, and the heaviest of that should also be in the same areas that we're going to see the heaviest of the precip from tonight's storm. So I think some areas, especially in southern and central New Hampshire, may actually get a double whammy with 2 plowable snows this week. Thursday and Friday, we're dry, but just a few showers around, and then Saturday and Sunday are more of the same. So beyond that, more of the same weather. And before I leave you today, I want to wish you all a very safe and happy period of staying home and practicing social distancing, as it's really crucial for you and for everybody else around you. So thank you for participating. Goodbye.